respected teachers, the proud parents, dear students. It gives me the immense pleasure to be here today at the graduation day celebration of Sharda Mandir. This is a significant milestone in the lives of our young students, a day filled with pride, joy, and a sense of accomplishment. At the onset, I would like to express my gratitude to Sri Dhara Salgaonkar for inviting me to be the part of this celebration. Firstly, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the graduates. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have brought you to this momentous day. You have not only excelled academically, but have also grown as the individual ready to take on the challenges of the future. Sharda Mandir School has always been the beacon of excellence in education, fostering an environment where the students can thrive and realize their full potential. The commitment of the teachers and the school administration to provide the quality education is commendable. Dear parents, today is as much as your day as it is for the students. Your support, encouragement, and sacrifice have played a crucial role in their success. You have been their pillar of strength, guiding them through their academic journey, and today we celebrate your contribution as well. Dear graduates, as you step out into the world, remember that education is not just about acquiring knowledge, it is about applying that knowledge for the betterment of the society. The values and skills have learned there will serve you as your compass guiding you through the many opportunities and the challenges that lie ahead. Goa is the land of immense potential and opportunities. Dear friends, at this point, it is pertinent to discuss about the visionary share of our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi implement the National Education Policy NEP 2020. The policy focuses on bringing the universal access to the school education, ensure the holistic development of the students right from the beginning. The objective is to give the equal emphasis on all subjects science, social science, art, language, sports, mathematics, with the integration of the vocational and academic streams in school. It will prepare our youth to meet the diverse national and global challenges of the present and the future. The integration of the formal and vocational education will help foster future-ready skills among the students, making them more adaptable, versatile, as well as to prepare to excel in the dynamic and competitive landscape of the 21st century. Being the Chief Minister of the state, I am keenly supporting and encouraging the youngsters to come forward in terms of skilling, reskilling, and upskilling, along with the supporting innovation innovatives. As the future leaders, the innovators, and change makers, you have the power to shape the destiny of our state and our nation. I urge you to be the bold, think big, and the strive for the excellence in whatever path you choose. Always stay curious, be compassionate, and maintain your integrity. These qualities will help you make a positive impact on the world around you. In conclusion, I would like to once again congratulate all the graduates. This is just the beginning of an exciting new chapter of your lives. Embrace the future with the confidence and optimism. Remember, the sky is the limit, and with the determination and hard work, and you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thank you, and I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. The may you continue to make your families, your schools, and our Goa state proud. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
आमकां हो दीस म्हणटा तो खुशीचो दीस कित्याक खुबशीं भुरगीं 3 वयाचेर आमच्या स्कुलाक जॉईन जाल्ली आनी आतां 12 वर्सां उपरांत 12-14 वर्सां उपरांत पास आउट जाता आनी बरी खुशी जाता आमकां. कित्याक पयलीं ते येता तेन्ना तांकां वेगळेंच तरेचें जग दिसता आनी आमी ऑल रावंडेड पर्सनॅलिटी करता तांकां, वेदर इन एकाडेमीक, स्पोर्ट्स, एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर. आनी आमकां खुशी जाता की ही भुरगीं आतां इतली सक्सेसफूल जाता फुडें तांच्या कॉलेज लायफान आनी फुडें करियरान. आमकां बरी खुशी दिसता. आनी दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणल्यार आतांच्या भुरग्यांक इतली ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आसा इंडियेक, कित्याक इंडिया इज बुमींग एज यू नो, आनी खूब जाणांक इंडियेन कितें करचें दिसता आनी आमकां ती खुशी जाता ते करतात आनी करून दाखयतात. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर फॉर शारदा मिंदर, कित्याक हे सगळे आमचे एम्बेसिडर फॉर आवर स्कूल इन इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड. तांकां उदाहरण दिता की बाबा तुमी हार्ड वर्क केल्यार आनी तुमचें जर एक ड्रीम आसत, तुमचें सपन आसत आनी तुमी जर ताजेर काम करीत, यू कॅन ऑल्सो बिकम, वेदर इट इज चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑर टेनिस प्लेयर ऑर अ क्रिकेट प्लेयर. यू हॅव टू बिलीव इन युअर सेल्फ आणि वर्क हार्ड and you will achieve it.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.